Just I wanna give a little tip about the iMovie. Sometimes you will notice your Mac storage has been reduced dramatically, and the iMovie took so much space. To check that, if you feel like you get one of these pop-up messages and it says you don't have space while you are editing your video, you go to about this Mac and you click on storage and you check your storage. Actually, I free up some space, but just I want to show you where you can to see the iMovie storage, the actual storage. So once you click on storage, sorry, I will minimize it here just to show you. So the iMovie storage, you go on manage, and from manage you go to applications. You will see the iMovie and Final Cut Pro. But if you go to the documents, you will find iMovie library. So the aim is to relocate the iMovie library to an external hard drive or a different location, so you save the space in your laptop. So the way to do that is to open the iMovie normally, and you go file and you open library and you say new, click on new, and you pick where you want to save it, because if you save it in your laptop, it will take too much storage, sometimes even to 20 gigabyte, and I have a limited storage. So if you pick a hard drive, for example, and you say save, and it will save up your iMovie library, everything there. So when you finish the work, you can free it up, and also you will not find any restriction in the space while you are working in a movie. Hope this will help someone out there, and thank you for watching.